By the time the Christmas holiday week started, Buffalo looked ready for another storm. Officials huddled with weather forecasters as they assembled a small emergency response force, along with the plows, backhoes, salt spreaders and ambulances needed to deal with the onslaught. The next day, a media blitz warned drivers to stay off the road. Mark Poloncarz, Erie County executive, expressed wary optimism. "I mean, there's supposed to be about 2 feet of snow," he said. He and other officials believe they are ready. What hit Buffalo was a rare and deadly combination of wind and snow. While Buffalo typically gets a storm that dumps 2 to 3 feet of snow every couple of years, and even winds as high as 60 to 70 miles per hour, it's very unusual to get the two of them put together, said Bob Hamilton, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service in Buffalo. On the morning of December 23, he said, the winds went within minutes from 10 miles per hour up to 70. The storm lasted 4 days, but the vast majority of the snow, about 36 inches out of the total 51.9 inches recorded in the Buffalo region, fell Friday into Saturday morning. If you held your hand straight out in front of your face, you couldn't see your hand for probably 30 to 36 hours, Mr. Hamilton said. Calling the storm a once-in-a-generation event might not be strong enough, he said. In hindsight, it may have been even greater than that. Hurricane-force winds and 4 feet of blinding lake-effect snow caused whiteout conditions that paralyzed emergency response efforts. Rescue workers themselves were left stranded in ambulances, police trucks and other emergency vehicles across the city. Governor Kathy Hochul, a Buffalo native, would call it the longest sustained blizzard to ever hit the city, an epic, once-in-a-lifetime storm.